Hi guys, here is the challenge. We must ask to these young ladies to fetch this cup and win 100 points to the score. So she has to choose between those three pendulums, so between the blue one, the white one and the red one, which one is the more relevant to go through it. Guys, if you don't think a little bit and choose the bad pendulum, here what could happen. So guys, what is a pendulum? A pendulum is a thread which the length is L. You hang it to a mass which the value is M, and you move it, or you move away from the vertical line with an angle called theta 0 sometimes. The time to do an oscillation is called T, capital T, and it's called a period. Guys, it's logic to think that the more the length of the thread is big, the more the time to do an oscillation is big too. Guys, it is shown that this period T is proportional to the length L of the thread. Guys, actually the period T is equal to 2 by pi by the square root of the length of the thread divided by the gravity G. Please note that the mass M do not take any action in this formula. So to conclude, guys, it's better to choose this pendulum, I mean the red pendulum, with the biggest length. In that manner we will have sufficient time to go through it. Okay guys, it's time for the challenge. So you have to choose the red pendulum to win this 100 points. So let's go guys, let's see what's happened. Okay, so I will go to the right and we go through this red pendulum as the period is very big, and I have to jump, and great, hooray guys, I win the 100 points. So guys, let's follow me in my channel.